Free Analytics Daily Share. We're going to keep covering subsearches. This time we're going to take two searches, looking at two different indexes and combine them together. For the principle here, we're going to do an index equals underscore internal, source type equals Splunk D. So these are our Splunk D logs. And then in my other query, I'm going to take this underscore audit and look at the audit trail. And I'm basically going to take the results from this search and use it to filter down the results that come back from here. So I only want the hosts that return back from this command to be searched over here. And so the big thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna do a head 10 because I don't want a big collection. I'm gonna do table host. Always call out the fields that you ultimately want to use to refine your other search. And so I've got that, I've got my results, I've got these two hosts, Big Splunk and Lame ES, and I've got it working. So we're gonna put them in brackets. And now the difference is I had an input lookup I did earlier. We're going to use the command search. Search is always used at the beginning. I could actually write search right here and Splunk would handle it. Splunk automatically adds search if you don't write it in there. But because we're using a sub search, it's important to actually put it in there. Splunk doesn't know that that needs to be there. So that is a little bit different between the input lookup. You do need to use the word search there, but we're going to copy this and move over here. We're going to just paste it right in there. And if everything works right, the only hosts that should come back are, the only results that come back are the ones that are Lame ES and Big Splunk. We shouldn't get any other results. Right now, we have more Corelight, Pi-hole. All right, let's run this. And if we look at hosts, only thing we got back was Lame ES. Those other ones disappeared. So this basically turned a query, and you can see this, just go to job, inspect job. We can actually see this query written out. If I go down to search job properties, we can see that what actually happens is the query that was sent in. We scroll down a little further and we can see that the actual query was index equals source type Splunk, and then in parentheses host equals Lame ES or host equals Splunk. You can see that it basically interprets those results into an OR statement. And so that's using a subsearch. I hope this helps you move from being a lame analyst to a Splunk ninja. If you got any questions, comments, please feel free to comment down below. Again, these are very short videos. They're not meant to be the perfect training tools. We have other videos that will help you on these. If lookups and stuff aren't making a lot of sense, if you have other material you'd like us to share with you, I would love for you to comment below, join the Discord channel, ask away. Anyway, hope to see you around.